In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve or fix if there's no sound coming out of your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the sound icon down your system tray, make sure it's turned up, as well as if you have external speakers, make sure they're turned on and turned up as well. And then you can also open up the search menu and type in settings if you're still having a problem. And then you would select system on the left panel and then sound over here on the right. And then you can run the audio troubleshooter down here, just selecting the output device troubleshooter. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.